Meatballs with tomato sauce, a traditional second course of Italian cuisine. Let's make it. Wash, peel and chop roughly an onion, then put it in a pan with oil and fry it. Add the tomato sauce, fresh basil and salt and let all cook for 15 minutes. Now, let's prepare the meatballs. First, soak soft breadcrumbs in milk. While it softens, mix in a bowl ground beef, the egg, salt, and Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. And at last, add the soft and squeezed breadcrumbs. Finally, add dry breadcrumbs. Knead by hand and make the mixture into balls the size of a small egg. Place them in the sauce and let them cook for 20 minutes. Towards the end of the cooking time, wash and chop fresh parsley and add it to the still boiling meatballs. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.